Awava Fongdokjaba Ske Broadband Service ki IT section da engineer oina leiramba Silambau Panmai Tingkumna Laibak Thiba Thodok amada leikidabada Ske ge management amadi staff singna thamoi sokna awava fongdurakli Masagi chahi kuntarit khaktamak ngaikiba Silambau Panmai Tamenglong district ki Luangdi Pabramdagi Hauzikna Kaisampate leiduna Ske Broadband gi IT section da thabak tawrakibani Silambau mathauda pukning changba amadi honaba kanba engineer ama oiramki mahakna leikidabada ske gi management amadi staff singna Silambau gi thawaina mapugi leikolda ingna chikna leirunaba thauni jabaga loinana leikidrabagi imung manungi awabadasu saru yajari awaba fongdokjariba ske broadband management amadi staff sing
Hello and welcome to SKTV. This is Afternoon English News. First, the headlines. Threats continue to surface across social media platforms, warning Meitei community against attending Shiroi festival. Manipur police assures safety for people attending the festival. An attendant of a farm reportedly shot dead by owner at Hairok. Angry mob vandalizes house of the accused. And now the news in detail. A Sktv'S group named Sktv'S Land Protection Command has reportedly issued a warning threatening Meitei community to refrain from passing through Kuki inhabited areas for the upcoming Shiroi Lily festival. The warning was issued in a sketchy press release with zoland@gmail.com as the only reference. The press release warned that any unauthorized entry of Meiteis into Sktv'S dominated areas will be regarded as a serious provocation and will face immediate and severe consequences. The group further asserted that Shiroi festival can go on but without Meiteis crossing or entering zoo areas. It may be mentioned that a group who claimed themselves as Sktv'S Village Volunteer Eastern Zone and Pogjakhop Geite, president of KSO Delhi, had issued such warning before. Meanwhile, Manipur police has yet again assured the public that precautionary security measures are in place to ensure security for movement of people attending the 5th Shiroi Lily festival in Ukhrul, which starts from tomorrow. In a post on X, Manipur police maintained that some unknown individuals and organizations allegedly of Kuki community have issued threat messages to the Meitei who are planning to visit Shiroi festival in Ukhrul. Manipur police takes serious note of such threats and has inquired into it. While claiming that the organizations issuing such threats do not exist, Manipur police informed that a criminal case has been registered at Cybercrime Police Station and all-out efforts will be made to arrest them. Manipur police further maintained that regular security review is being taken and senior officers have been deployed to supervise the security arrangement. The police statement came in the wake of the circulation of some purported videos on social media in which individuals belonging to Sktv'S community openly threaten that no Meitei who come to attend the Shiroi Lily festival will leave alive. It may be mentioned that the Shiroi Lily festival will be held in Ukhrul district from tomorrow until 24th of this month. An attendant of a farm in Thobal district's Hairok was reportedly shot dead by his owner at Hairok Kangarok in Thobal district following a verbal altercation yesterday. The deceased has been identified as Laishram Tombi, aged 45, son of Laishram Khomai of Hairok Part 2, Devi Mandoblekai, while the accused is Ningthogjam Rajnikanta, aged 44, son of Ningthogjam Menjor of Hairok Part 2, Mayalekai. According to police, Rajnikanta admitted that he shot Tombi, who looks after his farm, on his head using his licensed gun after the duo got into an altercation during a feast organized in connection with the inauguration of his new farmhouse at Hairok Kangarok. Tombi was rushed to Thobal District Hospital, but he was declared brought dead by doctor. Later, police arrested the accused and the body of the deceased has been deposited at Jennings for autopsy. Meanwhile, irate locals dismantled the house of Rajnikanta, which is located at Hairok Part 2 Mayalekai. Speaking to reporters, Tombi's wife Laishram Padma cried for justice while asserting that her late husband was an innocent breadwinner in the family. Connection with the incident during a public meeting held this morning at Divine Nompong Ningtho Youth Club at Hairok Part 2, Devi Mandoblekai. While the GIC expressed suspicion of killing Tombi in collusion with some individuals, it made several demands, which include arresting the culprits at the earliest, besides compensating 50 lakh rupees to the immediate family of late Tombi. With the aim to keep students healthy and improve their overall well-being, a 4-day training program on school health and wellness program was launched today at the Multipurpose Hall of Directorate of SCERT Lamphel-Pat. The program was jointly organized by SCERT Lamphel-Pat, State Health Society Manipur and Education S Department under Ayushman Bharat. State Nodal Officer of Health and Wellness Program SHM Manipur, Dr. Wahengbam Jubilee, State Nodal Officer SNO of Health and Wellness Program SCERT Lamphel-Pat, Dr. Yumnam Nandini, Examination Controller RK Tondonsana and OSD N Jibanta, among others, attended the function as main dignitaries. Speaking in this regard, SNO Dr. Yumnam Nandini emphasized the importance of keeping students away from drugs and intoxicants for their overall well-being. She added that experts will impart knowledge and ideas in this regard to 35 teachers from Imphal West District during the training program.
Numit marinigi training program sinjariba asigi maru oiba maramdi school da lairiba angangsing ase masa mau phana tinjang kaijang dana laik laisu tawbada puning changna laik tawba yana na bagidamakta asugumba kamai tawga angangsing che masa mau phangani adigi kamai tawka machinjak charaga masa akhoi healthy oina thamgani adagi akhoi drug kumba season na rakwa matamda angangsing je kamai drug tagi laptop na bo honagani haibana chingbagi matang sida akhoi adugumba asugumba training program ase pijaga doribani.
Youth Union Club Kha Chanjanbam Awang organized a felicitation program today for meritorious students of class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM and COSEM at Kha Chanjanbam Awang Community Hall. During the function, cash prizes, mementos and certificates were distributed to around 80 students and youth who excelled in their respective fields, including the top 3 highest mark scorers within Nambol constituency in the recently declared class 10 examination conducted by BOSEM. Speaking at the function, ex-minister T.H. Basantakumar called for developing good habit among students, adding that it will shape one's future. He also announced plan to begin a career counseling campaign in Nambol Assembly constituency.
Human being I say, can result in your business. Name me over. I know one name Kalova, so I don't know name. Other Pura, however, I think Karimana, Sajamada, Kedan, Sotanama, other day, Nana, what are the name about?
Silin Digital Chairman Dr. Panjobam Lanajit has raised several matters about the ongoing crisis in Manipur at Trikon for World Foundation International Conference held at Gangtok. According to Silin Digital, the conference organized by Trikon for World Foundation was participated by around 100 delegates from India. It added that it had also met several MPs of different political parties in India and submitted memorandum in connection with Manipur crisis besides holding protest in New Delhi in December last year. The organization had even raised matters about the crisis at national conferences held at Guwahati and Delhi in the past.
Situation remains unsolved, and unfortunately, peace is still a distance off for the people of Manipur. This crash of tragedy that was unfolded is both heartbreaking and alarming. Over 300 lives has been lost in this permanent conflict. More than 60,000 people of Manipur have been stressed across the relief camp, living in the condition that no human being should have to endure.
And it's time for a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
Heritage Convent. Congratulations to the stars of Heritage in HSLC exam 2025. Mangalayma Wayanbam, Ananya Gracia Moirangthim, Aribam Diksha Sharma, Aribam Liana Sharma, Ningthojam Arjun Singh, Moirangthim Lintoy, Rakesh Laishrang, Thonaujam Yohenba, Anchal Ningthozam, Benita Chirong, Chongtham Fulo Singh, Mukabbir Laskar, Thokchom Talent Singh, Athokpam Bhumika Devi, Josie Laimayum, El Tomten Nganbi Chanu, Parker Yumkhaibam, Ronica Angom, Selvas Chongtham. Heritage Convent wishes you a bright future. Congratulations to the teachers and all the students. We also wish to thank all the parents and guardians for having faith in us. Heritage Convent. Admission open for Standard 11 Science 2025-26. Top scorers of Heritage Convent who scored CGPA 9 and above will receive scholarship worth Rs 50,000 to 2 lakhs along with free admission, tuition fee, practical fee and notebooks. Heritage students scoring CGPA 8.5 and above will enjoy free ships according to their grades. Flat Rs 6,000 only on admission fee for Heritage students scoring below 8.5 exclusively. Other school students scoring 8.5 and above also enjoys free ship and major fee waivers according to their grades. Elective subjects available are physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, computer science, Hangta, home science. Admission can be done at School Office Campus 1 Uripok, Imphal on all working days between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m.
Admission open for 2025-26 session at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit, Imphal, Akampat. University courses, MTech CSE in AI, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Bioinformatics, BCA, BSc Computer Science, PGDCA, O-Level IT and CHMT, Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering, DCSE, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. Free course fee for SC/ST students. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. For further details, please contact 8132062261. Register now.
Competitive Success Academy Uripok Khusnam Laikai Kangsup Road 2025-26 session gi class 11 science ki admission form thaba hokjare class 10 da mark wangna phanglaklaba mahiroi singi damak ahenba khudong chaba pizari 10 CGPA phanglaklaba mahiroi singi damak free admission, free installment, free coaching, hostel, free transportation, NEET G course 2 years ki khudong chaba loinana textbook grant plus uniform mess fee lemna khudong chaba pizari 9.5 and above CGPA phanglaklaba mahiroi singi damak free admission, free installment, free coaching, hostel, free transportation, textbook grant plus uniform, loina na NEET G course sahi anigi lemna khudong chaba pizari 9 and above phanglaklaba mahiroi singi damak free admission, free installment, free coaching, hostel, loina na free textbook grant NEET G course sahi anigi khudong chaba pizari 8.5 and above phanglaklaba mahiroi singi damak free admission, free installment, free coaching, hostel, free textbook grant plus NEET G course sahi amagi khudong chaba pizari 7.9 9 and above fanglaba mahiroi singidama free admission plus textbook grant lemna khudong chaba pizari 7.37 and above fanglaba mahiroi singidama admission tawbada 50% discount leizari loina na leibaki irang namaram oraga hana lakpa mahiroi chamagi admission fee lawjaroi pizari ba khudong chaba sing panupi gi tongan ba hostel gi khudong chaba leizari school bus amadi van service ki khudong chaba su leizari ngasi fawda higher secondary examination da 2021 dagi ngasi fawwa 100% pass tawduna lakli loina na handaki 2025 ke higher secondary examination da sayali sinam amadi irom asad devina 18 position amadi 20 position fanglaktuna academy sigi mai purakli aikhoi gi office timing 9 am to 3:30 pm Sunday 10 am to 2 pm.
Welcome back, and in further news, Smart Security Service Tera Bazar organized a felicitation program for Ketrimayum Laiba of Lamdeng Kunau, who has been conferred with various national and international awards. Addressing the program, which was organized at SSS Mini Hall today, Secretary of SSS Laimujam Pratap emphasized the importance of discipline in any line of work. Meanwhile, awardee Ketrimayum Laiba attributed his success to the higher authority and staff of SSS. It may be mentioned that Ketrimayum Laiba was conferred with Samaj Jyoti National Award 2025, Indo-Nepal Friendship International Icon Award and Dr. Ambedkar Fellowship National Award 2024. Back to School campaign was conducted at Thongju Juniors High School today. It was jointly organized by Ibudho Koirau Lakpa VLF, Thongju Part 2 Gram Panchayat and Khetrigao Community Development CD Block. The initiative was spearheaded by Thongju Openba Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society and supported by Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission under the Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Government of Manipur. The campaign aimed to raise awareness among middle-aged and senior women about food and nutrition as well as various women-centric government schemes. Addressing the gathering, Loitongum Binota, State Mission Manager of SISD MCLF, highlighted that numerous self-help groups have been formed under National Rural Livelihoods Mission to provide financial assistance and promote development at the grassroots level across Manipur. She emphasized that the current campaign is part of a broader initiative to empower women through education and training in nutrition, welfare schemes, and livelihood opportunities. The event saw participation from officials of the Khetrigao CD block, members of the Zilla Parishad, and representatives from the Livelihood Mission.
Training city koi SAG normal ta kamaina phanghan sige yum thong khuding mal ta training se yahan sige koi na hayaning iba koi na tamhaning iba khanghaning iba mayam se haibagi pandam da koi na adu aragadi koi gi school da lai ba infrastructure mi yamak pa hai je koi training center su daka lai adu aragadi koi gi khungang da lai ba school si su kari do boge koi season na roi doina masi school si ma season na ba ama aduga akoi na mayam sida school da la aga angang singli akoi nupi sing akoi school da phajana thaina hai tare makoi se school da chatki bagi school da kari tawr ke ha bagi na hongna na mazdugi harau ba nungai ba do adugi environment do create tawr kan da learning environment si amna nungai ba da hai tare ko nungai ba environment amasu create to ba mayam punna lakminaraga aduga learning hai tare with fun hai tare ko si sine ba koi concept se
Lining to Village Level Federation Paurabi organized Back to School campaign under the initiative of GEM Public School Paurabi, Kaipadrabal Lan, Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited and Cluster Level Federation Sagolmang at Paurabi today. The campaign was organized with an aim to empower women, educate about cleanliness and provide other opportunities to women folk of the area. It was attended by mentor of Kurumasheri National Resource Organization Girja, Kundrapam Zilla Parishad member, president of Paurabi Development Committee, founder of GEM Public School Paurabi W. Ibohanbi, along with Waiton Gram Panchayat Ward members. Zilangrong United Front ZUF today organized a homecoming program at Dilung Headquarter Camp Ararat to welcome 7 cadres of NSNR who have decided to join the ZUF along with 5 arms and ammunitions. In a press note, ZUF maintained that the homecoming strengthens the bond of brotherhood for a brighter future of Zilangrong and its kindred people. ZUF welcomed Kilonsar G. Laban, Political Supervisor Southern Zone NSNR M. Ragungning Maringmai, Deputy Kilonsar Home Dinganglung Rongmai, Sagumang Gangmei Zingking, Deputy Secretary Ceasefire Monitoring Cell Member NSNR, Major Pagonglung and Jantungam Malangmei. In a press note, ZDF further expressed hope to build a stronger and united future of Zilangro. L. Kailun, Additional Director General of Police Law and Order, inaugurated a new cyber laboratory at Imphal East District Police Headquarters yesterday. The laboratory became operational the same day and is expected to significantly enhance the police force's ability to handle cybercrime and digital evidences in various cases. The relevant authority also emphasized their ongoing efforts to establish similar cyber facilities across Manipur to strengthen the state's cybercrime investigation capabilities. The inauguration ceremony was attended by several senior police officials and dignitaries. Wabagai MLA Dr. Usham Deben has officiated the inauguration of a newly constructed temple dedicated to Ibudho Sekmaining Thau Kerak. The temple's construction was fully financed by the MLA. Speaking in the program, Dr. Usham Deben highlighted development of several water supply initiatives within the constituency, including the Wabagai Water Supply Scheme and the Karungpad Water Supply Scheme, which are reportedly nearing completion. He further assured that these water supply systems will commence their operations shortly. Blessing ceremony of a Manipuri feature film titled Mapok Amma was held at Larinjam Makhalikai today. The film will be the 7th production of Laningthau Lam Ahingba Film Industries with Sunita Radha and Sudhir Kangjam as producer and director respectively. The ceremony was graced by renowned director Bijgupta Laishram, former chairman of Film Forum Manipur Samjit Sabam Mangulzao and secretary of Oinam Merapaibi CH Anobi. Addressing the ceremony, the attendees emphasized that film producers have a huge role in safeguarding Manipur films. They also emphasized the importance of cast and crew members while making a film. And in sports, the Indian football team successfully defended their SAF Under-19 title by beating Bangladesh in a thrilling match, which was decided through penalty shootout. In a final match that was played at Golden Jubilee Stadium in Arunachal Pradesh's UPR last night, India took the lead in the second minute through a goal from captain Singamayum Shami. However, Bangladesh came back strong to score an equalizer in the 61st minute of the match. The match ended in a 1-1 draw in regulation time and it was decided through penalty shootout in which India emerged victorious by a margin of 4-3. Laisham Danny Meitei ended the tournament as highest goal scorer with 5 goals, while goalkeeper Suraj Singh Ahibam was adjudged best goalkeeper of the tournament. Singamayum Arbash was declared the most valuable player of the tournament. India also clinched the Fair Play Award in the tournament. Sarita Regional Boxing Academy A has emerged as overall team champion in the 3rd Imphal West Boxing Championship 2025, which concluded yesterday at Kumalampak Boxing Arena. National Sports Academy NSA finished second in the championship, which was organized by Imphal West Amateur Boxing Association under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Boxing Association. Thokdam Santosh of Sarita Regional Boxing Academy A and Riya Hikam of Sai STC Imphal emerged as best promising boxers for men and women's category respectively. And in today's weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Lamphel, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 31.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 48% in the evening. And that is all we have for now. But before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Threats continue to surface across social media platforms, warning Meitei community against attending Shiroi festival. Manipur police assures safety for people attending the festival. And attendant of a farmhouse reportedly shot dead by owner at Hairok. Angry mob vandalizes house of the accused. That is all for now, but for latest news updates, keep watching SKTV.